Ever thought about making $20 an hour without driving an Uber? Yep. No car, no passengers, just you, your laptop, and some AI magic. Today I'll show you how I do it with Uber AI Solutions and how you can start too. So, Uber AI Solutions is Uber's behind-the-scenes brain factory. They don't just move people, they move data. Companies need AI to understand the world, and AI needs people like us to teach it. That's where we come in, doing tasks like labeling images, translating text, testing AI tools, and making sure the AI doesn't say something embarrassing. Pay depends on the task. Simple jobs, lower pay. Complex ones, cha-ching. Top earners, anywhere from $20 to even $200 an hour. Me, I stick to the $20 per hour sweet spot because I like my coffee money steady.
Sweet!
Here's what works for me. 1. Pick high-complexity tasks, translations, data annotation, cultural review. 2. Focus, don't grind. I work 3 to 4 solid hours instead of burning out. 3. Play to your strengths. If you know a language or a tech skill, use it. They pay more for that. Oh, and one more thing. Always apply directly from Uber's official page. Scammers love pretending to be Uber recruiters. Trust me, I almost gave my fake bank account once.
No way. I'm getting hacked.
Uber needs quality human input. You get paid to give it. And you can work from pretty much anywhere with Wi-Fi. Even your couch, or your bed, or that one coffee shop where the barista now knows your order and your Wi-Fi password. So that's how I make $20 per hour with Uber AI. It's flexible, it's remote, and it pays.
Money, this money, that profit will make me wallet fat.
If you want to try it, check the link in the description. And if you've already done Uber AI work, drop your experience in the comments. We can swap tips and maybe hourly rates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next money-making breakdown.